Just a very quick one, yeah? God said, the time of your breakthrough is mostly when you're about to make stupid decisions. When you're about to make crazy decisions, it's mostly the time of your breakthrough. God said I should tell someone watching me right now that do not be like that Saul that was already in haste to make sacrifice to the other gods and not knowing Samuel is already in the corner. Don't be impatient. Listen, the Bible says it speaks in silence still voice. The voice of God is very, very quiet. You have to be patient. Don't be in a hurry to listen to that loud voice. God said the blessings of someone is right the corner. He said he's ready to go beyond and above for you.